What's up, guys? So today we're trying something different. This is sweet pickled watermelon rinds. Alright, I got this from my parents. Took a little trip to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Went down to go see a cover band for Queen. Had an awesome time. And one of my father's coworkers was asking, since he's going down by Lancaster and stuff, for a particular type of relish. It was a Vidalia onion pepper relish. The woman really loves it, knows that you can get it in the area, so my parents ended up going to one of those, like, you know, shopping type centers, have a bunch of different gourmet stuff. So they know I like weird things, so they ended up getting this for me as a gift, which was really nice. So I tried one piece already, but I wanted to turn the camera on and try this and talk about it a little bit. So the first question obviously is, have you ever had pickled watermelon rind? I have not, previous to this. So the smell, it smells like pickles, like pickling seasoning, but it also smells very sweet. These are sweet pickled watermelon rind. I've also heard of a spicy version of this. But anyway, let's get into it. I don't know if you guys can see down in that jar without me spilling much. But if I grab a piece, you can see the liquid is pretty thick. It's almost like a syrup. Right, you can see the actual piece here looks like jelly. It's like something you'd see in Ghostbusters. So first I'm going to kind of get all the liquid off of it so it doesn't drip. So yeah, there's a piece of it. It's literally the green watermelon rind, the part that everyone throws away. And I guess the idea behind this is to not waste anything. And I have to assume this is a southern thing. You guys can let me know. But anyway, yeah, eat watermelon, eat all the red part out and throw away the green/white part. Nope, some people pickle it. So because there's so little flavor there, I'm sure you can flavor it any way you want. But anyway, let's try a little piece of this. It's strangely good. The consistency is a little weird. It's very much like jellified. It's like a really hard jelly. But the flavor is really, really good. For me anyway. It's sweet. It's definitely sweet. It's salty. But more importantly, what really stands out is it's sour. The flavor is like extremely similar to if you go to a Chinese restaurant and you get the sweet and sour chicken. You know, it's just the fried pieces of chicken, and you get the red sauce on the side. It's that sauce. It's like an Asian sweet and sour sauce flavor, but with also the addition of flavorings you get in a normal pickle. It's just, it's so different and weird. I just love weird stuff. Now, when I first got this, I hopped on YouTube to see if there was any videos on it, and there's a couple of like recipe videos. But it seems like people who are homemade or homemade versions of this, they come out more like pickles. Like there's less of a fermentation time, and it's more of like a crunchy, you know, pickle. Only instead of using cucumbers, we're using watermelon rind, something people normally throw out that could be easily flavored. But in this case, it's definitely like hard jelly. It's not much of a bite to it, but that is strangely good. So yeah, I want to make a video on this. I really just wanted to see if people have ever seen this before, if it's something you eat all the time. We have so many different cultures all around the world, and something that's unique and different to me that I've never seen before, other people eat on a daily basis. But like I said, I'm making an assumption that this is a southern thing. I could be completely wrong, but everyone from the south can definitely let me know. But yeah, I would love to try a spicy version of this. It's just really good. It says there's 70 calories and 2 cubes. There's about 12 servings in the jar. But yeah, I mean, this one's the House of Webster brands. Clearly there's going to be a ton of different, you know, brands that make the same things. The ingredients are watermelon rind, corn syrup, sugar, water, salt, vinegar, and spices. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. Obviously the sugar and the corn syrup together make that very, you know, thick, super sweet, not diabetic friendly at all. But yeah, certainly interesting. For me, like I said, that one piece, that's enough. I couldn't sit and eat. I mean, I could probably eat the whole jar just because it's delicious, but all that sugar in there, that's not a good idea. So yeah, that's it for now. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know if you've ever had pickled watermelon rind, or in this case, sweet pickled watermelon rind. Really odd, but very tasty. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm going to see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.